guys, so welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog video, I will be showing you what's in my bag.
This bag is probably for my panglaag mga bags, ganun. Then mag-go out bags, you know?
Here's So without further ado, let's get started. So here's my bag. It's leather, you know that. Ito yung uso na bag sa online, sa Shopee. I think is 135.
Makikita naman yun sa latest video ko, yun sa haul. And then, here's white. Then may yellow yun, but binenta ko siya.
Yan. And has parang two-way siya, ganyan. At may sling. Yan. Okay, buksan natin yung bag. And this bag has a one compartment lamang.
Meron siyang parang lock na ganyan. And then, ito siya.
Okay, first na item na mabunot natin.
Is alcohol. Para kung mag-alis kayo, sanitize your hands always.
Para nakalagay ito alcohol, pero ang lalagay ito is cologne.
Lip tint. Kahit kahit nakamask ka na, mag-lip tint ka pa rin.
Fresh care. Is this a aromatherapy, okay? Pang biyahe ko. Mawala yung earphones. And then, susi ng bahay. Yan. Cleansing wipes. Ayan. Wala itong laman. Isa na lang naiwan. Ear saver.
Kasi nag-hijab po ako, tapos ayaw kasi nga mapasok yung mask dito kasi masisira yung hijab. Ayan.
This. Coin purse. In case lang kung hindi naman talaga ako yung nagbabayad ng And then, mask.
With mask kasi madaming bisita. And then, lastly is my phone.
Dalawang phone yung ginamit ko yung pang camera. Ayan. So, parang wala na. I think that's all for this video. I hope you like, subscribe to my channel, and see ya!